Hey guys, my name is Michael Miller. I'm one of Troy Kern's students.
Hi everybody, Joe Blackshear.
What's up everyone, my name is Doug.
Hey everyone, this is Josh Clark.
My name is Ryan Healy.
I'm here with Alex Molsoff, one of my first students.
I work on the oil rig, 3 weeks on, 3 weeks off.
I had a 25-year career in retail management.
Like a lot of you, I found myself working a ton of hours and not feeling very rewarded.
I'm a union carpenter.
I've been interested in real estate for a very long time, and when the opportunity presented itself for a mentorship program with Troy, I jumped on it.
I was ready to take that leap, but I just needed a coach. I needed someone to inspire me.
I played pro ball for about 10 years, played 5 years in the major leagues. I ended up joining Troy's program.
It has been a life-changing experience.
Since joining the program, I've been able to acquire 6 rental properties for my portfolio.
I have bought 8 rental properties and I have done 5 fix and flips.
Today I have 7 houses with a total value of over $1.5 million.
Troy has over-delivered on everything he said he was going to.
Alex retired from his job this year.
Yep. Do you feel like we've gone above and beyond for you?
Yeah, for sure.
He did his first flip. He made $71,000.
It can happen, guys. You can retire early.
Never give up, and if you want to be successful, Troy Kearns is your guy. Millionaire Mentorship is your place to be.
If you are interested in getting a great coach and a great community, you found the right place.
Thank you, Troy.
Be honest with yourself right now. Do you want to work your 9-to-5 job for the rest of your life? Having a third of your day consumed by something that doesn't make you passive income and absolutely drains you day in and day out. Do you want to keep working for someone else and keep putting money in that 401k? Or do you just want to wait till you start getting your social security check? It just doesn't sound like living to me. My name is Troy Kearns. I own over 350 rental properties and I have flipped over 700 properties. And I teach people how to invest in real estate so that they can quit their 9-to-5 job and live financially free. I know it probably sounds like a total bunch of BS, but I have been doing this for years and I have plenty of proof. Just check out my YouTube channel. You see this house right here? My students Italia and Eddie teamed up and wholesaled it to me for $13,000. The funny thing, it was my lead. We helped her find it and we even helped her negotiate it and we helped her close it, and the money she made paid for her entire program. And guess what? Now she's got the confidence to do this over and over and over and over again. However many times and how often she chooses and wants. She has learned a new high-income skill set called deal finding. The most important thing in real estate is finding a great deal. Sometimes it's hard to evaluate deals when you don't know what you're doing or what you're looking for. That's why I want to give you a free copy of a deal analyzer that I created exactly for you. It's the same one that my students use. It will allow you to analyze any real estate deal that you want to. I'm going to send it to you for free. Just comment the word deal and I'll link you right to it. Free of charge. I am here with one of my students, Emer Mesa. He's from Honduras. Really excited because right now I am holding in my hands what is known in the real estate world, which Emer has never seen before. It's called a closing statement. And let me just tell you something. I'm going to throw this out there for anybody who is in another coaching program. I guarantee my students make more money on their flips per dollar than anybody else. So with that said, Emer, you just closed your property. This is your closing statement. You just told me you got the money wired into your account this morning. How much money hit your account this morning?
$162,592. That's how much it hit my account.
$162,592. How much did you have invested in that product?
I have $90,000 invested.
So does that mean you made $72,000?
Yes.
Have you ever made $72,000 before?
Not at once.
But you made it in one deal.
One deal.
Do you feel like your life has changed?
Yeah.
100%?
100%.
I'm here with Italia Herrera. She joined the program roughly 5 to 6 months ago. She has done her first wholesale deal. She actually wholesaled it to me. She's gonna make $8,000 on that deal total. She'll actually make her investment back into the program and then some. And now she's on deal number 2. She worked with our team to help find these deals. You've never done a real estate transaction before?
No.
Have you ever done a wholesale deal before?
No.
Have you ever joined a program before?
No.
Do you feel like on this program we were there when you needed us?
Every step of the way.
Do you feel like we exceeded your expectations?
Absolutely.
Whenever you needed something, did you feel like you had someone to call that could answer your questions?
Yeah, at any time.
Is your confidence up?
Yeah, it's just more than when I started, so I definitely feel more comfortable looking at deals, even talking to sellers or going to interviews.
So you give the program 5 out of 5 stars?
5 out of 5.
Tell me about your experience with the program and kind of how it's been for you.
Just starting off in the program, I knew nothing about real estate. Just within the first few meetings, I learned so much. I mean, I have a whole notebook full of notes. Shout out to Eddie Ramos. For my first deal, he hopped on the call on midnight and we went over a contract assignment.
Have you ever done a real estate transaction?
No.
You did your first real estate deal, which was a wholesale deal. How much money did you make on that deal?
I made $8,000.
Do you feel like our coaching program was there for you when you needed us?
100%.
Are you currently working on your second deal?
Yes. I've looked at other programs before. Troy is out here doing the actual thing. He's willing to come out to the properties and look at them with you, take your calls at like crazy times of the day. It's just a no-brainer. The price itself is a steal. I really couldn't think of a dollar amount to put towards the information I've learned so far and the experiences I've gained.
So if you are interested in investing in real estate and have a little bit of money to get started, there's a link in my bio if you want to get in contact with me. Let's freaking go.